Good day sa inyo mga kasini at mga katravel. So for today's video po, nagkaroon po kami ng tour ng Dumaguete Siquijor. So sakay po kami ng Cebu Pacific, biyaheng Dumaguete Airport. Ayan. So nakikita po natin, so nagkakaroon ng demo about sa safety procedure ng eroplano mga kasine. So yan. So na-excite na po ako kasi ang daming magagandang lugar dito na pupuntahan namin mga kasine. Napakadami po. Napakaganda po mga kasine.
The location of the nearest exit may be indicated. Each category is equipped with a slide ramp. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and proceed to musical exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straight from the seats.
Yun, pababa na kami ng airport ng Dumaguete. Yun. So, napakaganda ng biyahe, ang aliwalas ng panahon, talagang mainit ho talaga. So, yan. So, nakikita nyo naman, talagang blue na blue. Ibig sabihin, dagat yan. And so, yung sikat ng araw ay unti-unti nang sumasakit sa balat dyan, for sure, mga kasine. Tapos, ang flight po namin dapat ay 5, naging 7:15 na po yan. Na-delay pa rin ho. So, ganun ho talaga sa mga hindi inaasahang mga pangyayari.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Dumaguete Siquijor Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you didn't leave any of your personal belongings with you. And be cautious when opening the overhead bin, as heavy items may slip during the flight. On behalf of our entire Cebu Pacific team headed by Captain Velasco and First Officer Yasa, together with your cabin crew, thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure to have you all on board, but I do hope to fly to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, kindly keep your seat pockets and remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. We secure the operation and ensure the flow meters left behind the aircraft. And for guests with infants, the infant diaper shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant diapers inside the seat pocket and be reminded of the authorized.
Pagkababa namin ay sinunduho kami ng aming tour at pinuntahan na hugad namin itong Sulphur Vent. Ito po yung umuusok na bundok na akala nyo lagi parang may hangin sa loob na maririnig nyo parang pumupusngat-pusngat. Yan po yan. Napakaganda. Kaya nga lang po, doon sa mga medyo sensitive, kailangan magdala po kayo ng mask. So medyo kakaiba ho yung amoy ng asopre. Yan. So talagang nakakatuwa. Talagang mainit. Pero kailangan, siyempre, gagala tayo. Kailangan natin i-treasure yung kagandahan nito. Napakaganda. Ayan o. Ayan o, talaga naman. Nakaka-amaze po mga kasini. Grabe. Yo, kung pagmamasdan nyo yan, mga kasini, tingnan nyo. Medyo mainit nga linaw ng tubig Grabe yung bundok ang taas pag nalaglag yung ba tabon dito. Yan yung hot spring. Yan. Yung tubig na yan ay galing doon sa bundok na yon, sa ilalim. Oh. Medyo mainit nga oh. Ang linaw ng tubig oh.